No new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the last 14 days in over 78 districts of India. That and all the other big stories of the day right here on Outbreak News. The Ministry of Health announced today that in 12 districts across the country, there has been no new case of COVID-19 for the last 28 days. Similarly, in 78 districts, there has been no new case for the last 14 days. Now, this does not mean that the threat is completely over in even these places, but it is a positive sign. Meanwhile, the Indian Council for Medical Research has stopped various states from using rapid testing kits for a few more days, as it is still investigating reports that they are inaccurate. The number of coronavirus cases in China might have been 4 times more than the official reported figure. According to a study by researchers in Hong Kong, more than 232,000 people might have had COVID-19 in China, while the official figures are only reported as 83,000. The study says that China substantially changed the definition of what counted as COVID-19 positive 7 times, which seriously impacted the official figures. Ratings agency Fitch has said that the world is heading towards a recession of unprecedented depth that we have not seen since World War II. Fitch economist Brian Coulton said that the agency now expected the world GDP to drop by 3.9% in 2020, making this twice as severe as the financial crisis of 2009. He also said that with massive job losses and intense pressures on small and medium-sized businesses, the path back to normality is likely to be very slow. A report in the New York Times says that hidden outbreaks of COVID-19 were well on their way in the United States while the first cases were being diagnosed, which has led to the situation that the country finds itself in now. According to the report, there were only 23 official cases of COVID-19 in the US on the 1st of March, while the actual number of people infected by that day could have been around 28,000. Because the US lacked the ability to test far and wide, they did not know the true scale of the problem until much later. Now it is the worst affected country in the world with over 8 lakh confirmed cases and over 46,000 deaths. Greece has announced that it is extending the nationwide lockdown by a week to the 4th of May. The Greek Prime Minister will soon announce steps to lift some restrictions, but he said that the transition to what he calls the new normality will be slow and will unfold over time and will take until the end of June. So far, Greece has reported around 2,400 cases of COVID-19 and 121 deaths due to the disease. Those were all the big stories of the day. For all the latest on coronavirus updates from India and across the globe, stay tuned to NDTV Hop Live.